So we just popped in here at our friend Sanjay's place. It's called Radical Inc. Very popular on YouTube. He's got a nice YouTube channel to check out where he works and restores, but in a very meticulous way. BMWs and E30s, especially. For example, this 325RS is one of the cars that he's busy with. I think his latest video was in this car with APV numbers and all that stuff. That's a nice E34 M5, classic throwing star wheels. This is the detailing center. So he's got a nice detailing center. Oh, this E28. Beautiful. Stunning, stunning vehicle. See that? That is a rep issue. So rep wheels look nice, they work, but they're not going to last as long as OEM wheels. Rep wheels is not a no-no. It's just if you have the money to spend, I think it's about maybe 10 times more original wheels compared to rep wheels, then spend the money. So they're stripping. Here's a prep area. So they're busy with the E30 wagon. This is where they prep the cars. They take it to bare metal. And then they repaint it. There's a spray booth. Spray booth is there. Two-door chrome bumper. Very popular, these shells. Two-door chrome bumper. Because there's a lot you can do with them. You can turn them into an E30 M3, you can turn them into a 333, you could turn them into a shadow line, you could turn them into a nice project car with a big motor in it, and a spin car, a drift car, stance car. E30, chrome bumper, two-door. That is my preference in the E30. Beautiful four-door E36 M3. It's going up in value, these cars. It was one of the cheapest M cars that you could buy. They used to go for like 100k, 120k. Now I see they're picking up value. Some going for 200, some for 300. So yeah, if you look for a nice clean one, if you find it, I suggest buy it. If you got the spare cash, buy a E36 M3 four-door. They're going to be going up in value very soon, especially clean models. There's also a very cool E36 race car here. So if you want a good startup, I think E30s are a bit too much in terms of value prices. If you want to get into the BM, I think an E36 is a good start. You can get bodies, you can get complete cars for a good price. You can do them up. They're nice. They look nice. They're one of the sexiest BMs, the shapes that you'll find. And there's a lot of modifications that you can do, or even in standard trim. And they are very reliable. They last long. They are strong. They're built in the 90s, so they are strong cars. So yeah, if you want to get into your BM, your first BM, I suggest go for an E36. Obviously look for one according to your budget and take it from there. So now we come to the main space, operating theatre for all these gems, for all these cars. Now we start with the E28M. That's getting a proper makeover. Still the rubber, very valuable that. There's a few 333s that they're working on. To see what color combination. So Aero Silver was one of the 4 colors the 333 came in. This has got a black interior. So I was talking to another guy who's also got Aero Silver, and he wants to redo his interior. So my suggestion was Aero Silver with a cream interior. That would be my preferred. What do you think? What would you go if you had an Aero Silver 333? What color interior would you go with? Would you go with the grey? Would you go with the black? Obviously keep it standard. What the 333 came out with. It came out in the cream. It came out in the black. I don't think it came out in blue. Maybe grey. So what would be your preference interior color? So the spare part here. E36M. How's it, gents? Another E28 there. The old caddy. This looks like a genuine Shadowline. E30 chrome bumper Shadowline. Let's see the seats. The seats are usually check. Yeah, there we go. Shadowline seats, sport seats, steering, wrong steering wheel though. But Shadowline, now you can tell is, obviously people can paint this, but from the factory that came black for the Shadowline. That came standard in red or whatever color, or whether white or black, whatever car you bought. Boot spoiler came in that color. So earlier chrome bumper models did not have indicators. Later ones had indicators on the sides. And then also a Jimmy Hill spoiler was a Shadowline feature. Very cool. And